Peace and blessings, everyone. This is me, Saira Iqbal Khan, and my co-host Maria Sarfaraz and Rida. I'm doing great. Tell me, how are you doing, beautiful faces?
ब्यूटीफुल फेसेस इधर है ना, आप कैमरा की तरफ देख के क्यों कह रही हैं?
Oh no, I didn't mean that. Redo कर लेते हैं.
Okay.
Well, I'm doing great. How are you doing, beautiful faces?
We are doing great.
Wow, that sounds great. So, are you ready for the personal brand exploration journey?
Yes, we are.
I mean, seriously, मतलब, why you're sounding like dead zombies? मतलब थोड़ी excitement ही show कर देता है कैमरा के सामने.
Unscripted episodes with OCLP.
Okay, so are you guys ready for the personal brand exploration journey?
Yes, we are.
That's great. So today we'll be talking about the very second section of personal brand workshop, which is basically
Strengths.
yes, strengths. And identifying your personal brand actually starts with knowing your strengths, because the people with strong brands are those who know who they are, because they know how to capitalize on their strengths, how to, maximize their strengths, and how to soar with their strengths. So now it's your chance to uncover and, identify the skills which you think can help you to stand out from the crowd.
Hold on a second. In second episode, you said that you'll ask us some introspective questions, but यहाँ तो ऐसा कोई सीन ही नहीं लग रहा.
जी पिछले एपिसोड में लेट कौन आया था?
मैं.
जी तो तब तक डिस्कशन की एक डायरेक्शन सेट हो चुकी थी ना. दैट्स व्हाई.
बट इस बार मैं टाइम पे हूँ, एंड सेकेंडली मैंने बिगिनिंग में ही आपको बता दी है.
Okay, so I will be asking few introspective questions from you.
Yay! अब हम खेलेंगे कौन बनेगा करोड़पति.
Well, not करोड़पति, करियरपति.
Hey everyone, आज हम खेलेंगे कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. हैं?
करोड़पति नहीं, करियरपति, करियरपति. You know, this is going to be the screening process. ऐसे थोड़ी ना कि किसी को भी hot seat पे बिठा दो.
Oh, okay, fine. Yay!
Alright, so now we are going to play कौन बनेगा करियरपति. तो आप लोग तैयार हैं?
तैयार हैं. So, हम इससे ये क्यों नहीं कह देते सुपर लीग 2020?
Just forget it right now. Let us focus on the screening for the, hot seat के कौन जा रहा है hot seat पे of the कौन बनेगा करियरपति. So, as you know that we don't have any buzzers, so all you have to do is to, create some voice, any random voice, anyone who, wants to go first for answering the question. Because हमने ये भी तो चेक करना है ना कि आप लोगों में से दोनों में से कौन ज़्यादा अटेंटिव, रिस्पॉन्सिव है, और सबसे बढ़कर के करियर को लेकर किसने ज़्यादा इंट्रोस्पेक्शन की हुई है. Okay, so my first question to you is that, do you agree that the ignorance of ignorance is death of career?
Beep. Yes.
क्या ignorance, death और career क्या?
Take it easy. Let me explain you. Okay, imagine you don't know about something. ठीक है? लेकिन आपको ये भी नहीं पता कि that you don't know about this thing. So this is basically ignorance of ignorance.
Oh, okay. No.
Okay. My next question to you is, do you want your career to die a premature death?
Beep. Yes.
Premature death तो बच्चों की नहीं होती.
My third question to both of you is that, why do you want to make a career? I mean, I will give you some options and you can select from them. So, do you want to make a career for a job, for internship, for business, for marriage, for, to emerge as a leader, or to be a social influencer?
Beep.
Okay, she first said beep.
So it's job.
नहीं, marriage. आजकल एक हर किसी को कमाऊ बहू जो चाहिए.
Okay, so my next question too is very simple. क्या आप दोनों ने ये नोटिस किया था कि जो पिछला सवाल मैंने पूछा है उसमें एंड गेम क्या थी?
End game? Thonis? चुटकी वाला.
No, it's career.
Money?
Okay, so money comes to you basically as an effect of certain cause, which is job. But in your opinion, what is job?
हाँ.
Gigi?
Like job is job. जिस तरह I'll be a working lady, तो जो मैं ऑफिस में करूँगी, या जब शादी के बाद आप 24/7 करते हो, like job, you know.
No, job is joining other business.
Good. So, my next question is that are you ready to take the responsibility and challenge of running an enterprise as a CEO or as an executive CEO?
हाँ,
जी जी
नहीं, like मैं तो जॉब करनी है ना, जो कि like यहाँ ऑफिसर या जूनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव से स्टार्ट होगी, एग्जीक्यूटिव सीईओ.
It's yes.
you're ready.
Yeah.
Okay. My next question is that, in your opinion, what is responsibility?
हाँ,
जी जी
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज लाइक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो लाइक शादी के बाद आपके हस्बैंड की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप पे आ जाती है, या लाइक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो होती है वो.
I was asking in connotation of career or job, not marriage.
May I?
Yeah, sure.
It's basically response per as your ability.
Absolutely. Responsibility is basically response as per your ability. So, as it's very obvious from the results that who is the winner. So, the winner is one and only Miss Rida. Miss Rida, congratulations. You have, you have been shortlisted to be on the hot seat for Kaun Banega Career Pati. But Lona nahi hai, because you will be in the coming episodes as well. After all, you are my co-host.
शुक्र है, वरना मुझे लगा था मेरा यूट्यूब सेंसेशन बनने का ख्वाब रह जाएगा.
Maybe, inshallah, you will be in the frames. So, no doubt, we had to talk about strengths today, but because of the demands of the Gen Z alien community, we had to run Kaun Banega Career Pati. But in the coming episodes, definitely we will talk about how to identify the strengths and how you can get to know yourself better so that you can identify your standout qualities. And you can also validate your thoughts by taking the external point of view from the people in your circle who know you. So stay in touch with us. Good luck and rock the world and stay safe. इसको क्या हुआ है?
क्या हुआ आपको?
What happened?
I was so stressed जब आपने कहा कि I'm out of the game, मुझे तो टेंशन हो गई थी.
अरे नहीं यार, मतलब वो तो स्क्रिप्ट था ना यार, क्या हो गया?
हाँ ठीक है, मुझे ना वैसे स्ट्रेस में खाने का भी बहुत होता है, लेकिन अब यहाँ टोमेटोज एंड पोटैटोज उगे हुए हैं, तो क्यों ना हम डाइट सूप बनाए चल के.
Well, that's a great idea.